so I'm back from cleaning the spots off on the floor outside. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning the oven because it hadn't been cleaned. So if I open this up, I see food, hung down like that.
And
my gosh, yeah. Technically, we really should have ran a clean cycle, but at this point, I can't really do a whole lot. I shouldn't, if I can use this in there, but I'm going to wipe out at least the chunks.
Okay.
So they don't
just do a quick little clean.
Yeah, just so it doesn't look like we completely neglected it like we did.
Now we know that people have just showed up here too, so we're a little bit pressed for time.
Yeah, but that's okay. I don't care. They can wait because it's not quite 4, and I have until 4 o'clock to get this done, and I'm going to do it right.
Okay,
because,
so that to you is important.
They will definitely.
Oh, and you know what? I just saw how that actually cleaned up a little bit more.
I know.
On this,
I'm gonna come back.
I tell you what. Why don't we do this?
And look at this. This
we'll
white
pull
stuff.
This out real quick. It might be easier to get in with it.
Yeah, I think I need a wet sponge, but I'm gonna have to go up to the cleaning closet. So let's come back to this. We're gonna go up to the cleaning closet because I'm gonna get the right tools. Because see all this white stuff back here, Joe?
Oh, look at that.
See this right here? That's from a clean cycle that was never wiped. Because when you do a clean, because this has an automatic clean button.
Got it.
It doesn't. I mean, it leaves this residue, and all you have to do is just wipe it out. You get a wet cloth.
But you got to get it wet, but you're not wet.
Well, I know, but what I'm saying is it just needs to be wiped out, and that. So anyway, I'm gonna get it. I don't want to use.
So use that. Okay.
No, we're gonna use just water. But I'm gonna go get a cleaning sponge upstairs. So let's continue this upstairs. You know what? Let me just do this, and we'll have to do this.
Okay.